Hey everyone. So if you watched my previous video, I was talking about the ArcCaptain Mig160, and I did a couple of videos about it. One for the first impression of it, and the second one was my first project using it. The machine itself is actually an excellent machine. It's been working great for the past few months now, probably since June timeframe. So it's about 6 months using it on almost on a weekly basis for one project or another. But I did have an issue with this machine, and I wanted to highlight it to everybody so you're aware of what you're getting yourself into. So I'm going to show you what happened um, with this machine, and it is not actually the machine itself; it's the torch that comes with the machine. It's not really rated for this machine. So I'm going to show you what happened. The reason I'm highlighting this is just to be totally transparent. So if you watch any of my videos, I'm sharing with you the good and the bad about this ArcCaptain Mig160. So I had a problem with this welder, the Mig160, while using maximum amperage. I used 160. I was uh, welding about half-inch steel, and I needed the full amp, and I used it for about 20 to 30 minutes worth of welding, and all of a sudden it quit. So luckily I had another welder to use, but then this is what I found out when I opened. Basically the cable melted. As you can see, this is not copper, this is probably aluminum, and it got burned, and it actually disconnected right here. So this torch is not designed to handle 160 amps for sure. Maybe 130 max or 120, but you can see that it's totally damaged here. So definitely a problem with the torch not rated for the amperage.